And the next we are started. Always start. So after that, the next topic is banking services. Banking, a bank is an institution which attracts money and deposit for the purpose of being lent to industry or trade. Banking are not merely money lenders. A bank lends what is borrowed from others. A bank is buying and selling of money. A bank earns a margin of profit by lending money which is borrowed. So these are the banking services. According to Indian Regulatory Act 1949, banking means accepting and deposits of money from the public for the purpose of lending or investing. This is a definition given by the Banking Regulatory Act 1949. So after that, the type of bank accounts. There are number of types of bank accounts which are provided by the bank to their customers for their different facilities which are provided. They are involved in the banking facilities. So the types of bank accounts which are provided by the bank to their customers are as follows. Some of them are as: first, saving deposit account. Saving deposit account is a account in which the small investors regularly deposited their amount in a bank, that is known as saving bank account. The small savings are generated there, that is saving account. A person can open a saving deposit account by depositing a small sum of money. He can withdraw money from his account whenever need and can deposit whenever surplus is available or whenever he needs the fund. Depositor in issue a check book and passbook by the bank. All the money deposited and withdrawn by depositor are recorded in the passbook which is provided by the bank to the customer. Rate of interest on saving deposit is generally low than fixed deposit account. The next is current deposit account. Current deposit account is an account which is generally provided to the business persons. In this account, businessmen can deposit or withdraw the amount in a maximum. There is no limit, or minimum there is no limit, but in the saving bank account there is a limit of depositing and withdrawing the amount. But in a current deposit account there is a no minimum, there is no maximum limit to deposit or withdraw the money. This is a business account. Mainly this account is to be a business account which is to be the name of the, which is open in the name of the firm or a business. So current deposit account are opened by businessmen. The account holders and depositors and withdraw money whenever desired. Withdrawal are always made by check. Overdraft and credit limit facilities available in this account. No interest is paid on current account. Rather, some service charges are availed by the bank for rendering services. A statement of account is sent to the account holder every week, as per their demand or as per the conditions which are given while they are opening, at the time of opening a account. The next account is recurring deposit account. Its name is also known as RD. It is known as recurring deposit account. It is a small saving account which are opened by the saving depositor holder or any individual people or any person who want to save regularly, monthly, weekly, whatever the procedure and whatever the rules according to the bank regular amount of interval. After regular amount of interval, they're depositing a certain amount in this account that is known as recurring deposit account. A depositor can deposit a fixed amount monthly for a fixed period, the amount together with interest to repay on maturity. The rate of interest on recurring deposit is higher than on saving account. The next is fixed deposit account. It is a account which is opened by the bank as per the demand by the customers, their customer or the person who have some excess amount which is to be saved for a specific period. It can be monthly, yearly, short period, long period or medium period as per the demand by their account holder that FD is to be open. So a fixed deposit is repayable after a expiry of the specific period. The period may be vary from 6 months to 5 years. Longer the period of deposit, higher the rate of interest. The bank issue a receipt of the deposit acknowledgement. The receipt called fixed deposit receipt. The rate of interest in FD is higher than the saving bank account or recurring RD deposit account. While the next is multi-purpose deposit account. This multi-purpose deposit account is also known as auto sweep account. In these days, this is popular. This is the combination of the saving bank account as well as the FD account. A person who have access or a certain amount is to be in the saving bank account. If that is more than that amount, that can be transferred to the fixed deposit account, that is known as multi-optional deposit account or auto sweep account. This account offers multiple options of deposits. This account can be combination of saving account or current account. In this account, the depositor can enjoy the liquidity of saving and current account. Because in the saving account, interest rate is less. If the amount is for the long period, that can be transferred to the fixed deposit account. And in the saving bank account, we are getting the higher rate because the excess amount can be transferred to the fixed deposit account. And the rate of interest of fixed deposit, when the amount of deposit exceeds a particular limit, then automatically the amount gets transferred into a fixed deposit. So it is a good account which gets the maximum benefits in the getting the rate of interest.